We are here in Macau now.
各位旅客，你已到達澳門口岸，請
Going down. Lalabas lang namin ang immigration, guys. Thank you, Lord. Si Kuya nagbigay sa amin ng grocery. Kuya, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Labas nyo, guys, meron kayo dyang mga bus na sasakyan. Ayan, tingnan lang ninyo yung mga number na pupuntahan ninyo. Dito kami sasakay sa 101X. Ayan. Ayan, kababa lang namin dito, guys. Ay, wow, ang ganda. Ganda, guys. Ay, wow, ang ganda. Wow! It's too hot today. It's good weather. Ayan, mga souvenir. Daming tao dito, guys.